Yo, Elay.
Yeah. See, I'ma tell y'all why the streets love me. It's cause I talk to them.
That's G.
And they know I love them back. Just listen.
Yeah, I'm a product of my environment. Grew up selling the same shit that got my mama lit. Grandma, I'm praying. I was into all kinds of shit. Looked up to the dope dealers who had the flyer shit. Young nigga chip on my shoulder looking for wreck. Money and power cool, but it's all about the respect. That's something you gotta earn. That's something you can learn. Gotta get up off your ass, just can't pray for a turn. Was never into faking, was never into hating. When it came to my time, I was patiently waiting. I got it out the mud, now I'm glowing, they can't take it. Seeing Tone in that white 500 was inspiration. Look, when you in the streets, this shit come before everything. Kids in your family, I know that got a heavy ring. If a nigga tell on you, no you can't tell back. You respect the code, think about it, yeah you felt that. Feeling fucked up, cause you know you can't beat it. But still take it to trial, cause you just can't believe it. You getting dressed for court, thinking nah, not my right hand. Then that nigga walk up in the court and raise his right hand. Look him in his eyes and your stomach feeling tight, damn. Playing back everything you set up on that mic, damn. This a message for my dogs in the streets. Gotta get in and get out, cause there's really no defeat. You gon' get a long sentence or end up under some sheets. Gotta play the game right, make sure you lacing up your cleats. The man that I am, and that's thanks to the streets. Where the strong survive, you turn to prey if you weak, nigga. Weak nigga, weak nigga, weak nigga, weak nigga, weak nigga, weak nigga.